Hey, welcome to Learn English with Luna, your path to learn English fast. Welcome back to Learn English with Luna. I am so happy to see you here today. In this episode, we will visit a coffee shop and practice common English used in daily routines. You will learn 15 essential words for your daily life using the shadowing technique. Remember, listen, understand, and repeat. Are you ready? Let's get started. Today is Saturday. I love Saturdays because I have a special routine. I wake up at 8 o'clock. I put on my favorite warm sweater and walk to a small coffee shop near my house. The name of the shop is the Blue Mug. It is a very cozy place with small wooden tables and many beautiful green plants near the windows. When I open the door, a little bell rings. The shop is warm and smells like roasted coffee beans and sweet cinnamon. There are many people inside today. Some people are sitting alone and working on their laptops. Other people are talking quietly with their friends and laughing. There is soft jazz music playing in the background. I walk to the counter to order. The barista, Marco, smiles at me. He is very friendly. He knows me because I come here every week. "Good morning, the usual?" he asks. I smile back and say, "Yes, please. I want a large latte and a blueberry muffin today." I look at the menu on the wall. They have many things like tea, hot chocolate, and cookies, but the latte is my favorite. I pay with my credit card and take my receipt. Then I wait for my drink near the pickup area. I watch Marco make the coffee. He uses a big silver machine. It makes a loud whoosh noise, but I like it. He puts some white milk foam on top of my latte and draws a small heart. It looks beautiful and professional. I take my tray and look for a place to sit. I am very lucky today. My favorite table by the window is free. I sit down on the soft blue chair and look outside. It is a gray, rainy day, but I feel very happy and comfortable inside the warm cafe. The coffee is hot and delicious. The muffin is fresh and very sweet. I take out my English book from my bag and start to read. I stay there for 1 hour. I enjoy the taste of my drink and the peaceful atmosphere. It is the best part of my weekend. Before I leave, I clean my table and put my trash in the bin. I say goodbye to Marco and walk back into the rain. I feel relaxed and ready for the rest of my day. Going to the coffee shop is a simple thing, but it makes me very happy. Now, let's practice shadowing. Repeat after me. I walk to a small coffee shop near my house. Again, I walk to a small coffee shop near my house. The shop is warm and smells like roasted coffee beans. Again, the shop is warm and smells like roasted coffee beans. Some people are working on their laptops. Again, some people are working on their laptops. I walk to the counter to order.